How to fix 5G network not working on iPhone iOS 16.5. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial and open settings on your device. Toggle on the button for airplane mode and enable airplane mode for at least 60 seconds before toggling it off again. Now tap on cellular option there and then on cellular data options and make sure the data mode option is set to standard. Go back to settings and now tap on general. Scroll down and tap on shutdown and shut down the device and press the power button after minimum of 60 seconds until you see the Apple logo. If your problem is still not fixed, go to General again and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then on Reset all settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. None of your data or media will be deleted, so you do not have to worry about that. Also, go back to General and tap on Software Update and make sure your device is updated to the latest version of iOS. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.